Okay. Got care package, both for the Z and the bike. So I think I'm still gonna try and run with this because I don't really want to know if this is gonna fit or not, because if it doesn't, because this is a brand new fuel pump and sending unit for a 2011 GSXR 600. For an 07, it was like $500 and they were used. So we're gonna make this work one way or another. But it's the whole assembly, plugs right in. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. See, it kind of looks like it. Yeah, don't worry about it. It's fine, guys. We'll figure it out. Or, yeah, we always do. Anyway, so that's for her. That's for her. That's pretty much it. The rest of this is a build your own high performance fuel pump, I guess. Here's a bunch of parts, figure it out. So this is for the Z, and it's a 250 GPM quantum aftermarket fuel pump assembly and kit. It just says universal or uni because that's essentially what it is. But so what you have here is it's really just different filters. So different, pickups, different shapes and things like that. But yeah, it's kind of like a build your own sort of deal. So yeah, just all kinds of shit. I could be wrong though. So half of this shit could be for that assembly because it's all from the same company, so it came all in the same box. Who the fuck knows? Not me. All right, so we have all that good stuff. Like I said, I'm still gonna try and run with that because why not, right? Dicking around with the throttle positioning on the secondaries again, because I still can't get that bitch to behave properly. That's what we're gonna do for starters. Oh, speaking of starters, speaking of starters, let's get something sharp. Yeah, the sharpness. This is also for the Z. Baby needs a makeover. Yep. So, folks, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, anybody who sees this video, if it's not too far in the future, I need help deciding whether or not we should do this to the Z before I go back to work. I mean, obviously, the answer is yes. But what I need you to convince me. I need you to give me motivation. You need to motivate me. Because this is gonna require getting under the car. And getting all kinds of shit in my eye. Oh, we got a power graph. Starter, Hitachi. Oh, that's a brand name. Starter model, PMGR. 1.40 kilowatts, rated voltage 12, max power 1.65 kilowatts, max torque 15 Newton meters. Wow. Dude, that's kind of dope. Starter speed in RPM. Wow, that is really cool. Maybe just to me. It's an older starter. It's brand new though. Or refurbished, maybe that's why this is in here. That's so cool. Solenoid voltage drop, 0.0357. I'm assuming kilowatts. Test step number 1 at max power. Starter current. Anyway, hopefully this won't continue to cause more issues, but its SD card doesn't want to cooperate. Anyway, this is cool. It's all our stats. Starter voltage, 9 volts, starter current, starter power, RPM, starter speed, 1150, torque, voltage, wow, very cool. So, anybody who sees this, please help me decide whether or not I should try and do this before I go back to work on Tuesday. But here she is. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Pretty. Ooh, look at the teeth on that. God damn. This is some angry looking teeth. Jesus. She's pretty though. She's pretty. Look at that. I guess tools and new parts bring out that accent. What is this? Hey. Why are you so floppy? What's that? Huh. Is it supposed to do that? All right, well, yeah, let me know, folks. It's pretty though. I'm definitely, like, I know I'll be able to get away with it on the Z, because now it's starting okay. But if you had a starter going out, definitely a good idea to do it before it gets cold, because that's when it's gonna struggle the most. Anyway, yeah, so it was a little bit of a unboxing intro, but I know I should probably do that. The other thing I could also do is take the one out that we just spent the last 2 days fixing and put the new one in. Nah, fuck that shit. So let's keep working on the throttle bodies, and yeah, there you go. That's it. That's it, baby. Sorry, I got a mint. I'm nervous. You guys make me nervous. Where are my keys? What did I do with my keys? Seriously. Oh. Got it. Ooh, cinnamon. Hot. Because when the sensor's doing its job, okay, so now, see, now we're getting close. So that's when it doesn't get proper feedback from the sensor, that's when it goes all the way closed and keeps clicking. So you can tell when the sensor's doing its job because it'll go to a position, any position. And that's where we're at right now. Whereas like, I'm just gonna keep recording. I know it's gonna keep, I think it's the battery, but whatever. Oh, God. So where's our good old sensor? There she is. So we know this wiring is correct. I've checked it 1,000 times already. But I think it's gonna be a combination of sensor positioning and servo synchronization. Where am I? Because this only moves 90 degrees, or just about 90. And so its home position is wide open. So if we plug this in and we turn it on, or sorry, turn it off and then turn it back on. And if we put it into this position, and then what does it do? I'm just trying to get an idea. But the problem with that positioning, who the fuck knows? I'm just gonna, eventually I'll get it right by accident, okay? So, you know, fuck it. Okay? God. I don't have time to do the right thing. Ew, gross. No thanks. I'm gonna do things. I'll do stuff, but you know, it's not gonna be the right stuff. Okay, so plug the sensor in. Let's make sure she's moving freely. This is the new one, by the way, that I've probably already broken, to be quite honest with you. Okay. So, you know, that's how it goes when you live this life. Okay? Somebody's got to do it though. Okay, we should probably put some bolts in that, huh? Oh, yeah. Okay. Tip you up a little bit, miss. Excuse me, miss. Hey, I literally already had this figured out, and I just couldn't leave shit well enough alone. So here we fucking are. I'd be very happy if we could get this somewhat sorted to the point of me being comfortable putting the gas tank on, you know. But I don't know if I've messed up the actual servo itself, because I've done some bad things to this at this particular point in time. So, you know, I mean, it still seems to be moving like a full range of motion, which at the end of the day, that's its only job. So, you know, I think we're good in that department, but I don't know. I don't know. If I did, we wouldn't be fucking here right now. So. Okay. Ooh, shit. What the fuck was that? Yay. Did I pop a fuse? Wrong. That's wrong. I don't want that. Fuck! Damn it. I can't get it to hold. I can get it to move the throttle bodies, but then they immediately try to go to their return position. Or like, you know, what the fuck? So yeah, this is our issue. This is what I've been stuck on. And like I said, the sensor's new. The spring is still good. Okay, now you're not doing anything. Okay, come on. Okay. That just makes zero fucking sense to me. Like, this thing's possessed by a demon, right? We're trying to exorcise the demon out of the throttle body, and it's not working. Does anybody know a guy? Put me in touch with somebody? No? Okay. Somebody get the holy water! Jesus. Maybe it's because this is my ignition. Maybe that's what it is. No! You're wrong! You stupid bitch. No. Move! Do your job. Do your job. Do your job. Do your fucking job. You suck, bitch. I always try to adjust it in the same orientation that it's gonna be when I install it, you know? So I'm not like going the opposite direction. But I just, what's even, what's up, what's down, what do you need? What do you need? Ugh. Don't ever do this, guys. I have no idea what I'm doing, and I'm breaking new parts, okay? Don't do this at home. Don't try this. Just buy a new bike, okay? And don't. Possessed by a demon. Demon possessed. The other night it was going back and forth between full close and wide open. Like, yeah, possessed. No idea what I'm doing. Okay. Come on! Nope. No. Come on, do something. Do something. What are you, scared? Huh? Come on. Oh, fuck you. At least yesterday I had it responding. Fuck, man. That's probably not good, huh? Is that supposed to, you supposed to be able to? Maybe that's how you gotta do it. I'll just have to whack this on the bike to keep it working, maybe, while I'm riding, you know, just. Jesus, fuck. My battery's dead already, too. Oh my god, dude. Why? Why must you be this way? It's like it's so close to working, but it just won't. Fucking won't at all. Okay, I'm gonna try unplugging the sensor. And we're gonna just make sure this is free and unobstructed. Yep, that's its return position. Okay. I would clean it out, but I guess I could. You guys can't probably see too well, but there's like tabs in there. I'm just trying to make sure. I've definitely probably fucked this up already though. I feel like, oh no. See, what the fuck? Yeah, that's busted up. Oh, I wonder why. I wonder why. We're just gonna, yeah. I wonder if it's the actual servo itself. I wonder if that's a possibility. God damn it, dude. I know this is just so boring too. It makes for fucking shit content. Not that any of this is content, but you know what I mean. My wrap is coming off my arm, that's cool. So if we move this to full open. Oh, dude, what the fuck?